Malaila mali e aho e ki mo le lei Tonga kutoa, fia ki utaritari le lei ki mo tonu, ki ho mo ngahi o ngongo mo le dio kai o maa televisione Tonga ki he hoani. I he wakaiko ian ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo, kamata ki hā mai i he vai whanua haapai, ai mai ai musie mga tuunga i whanunga i a te vai taimi El Nino. Lorotonga tau he malu i ka polisi ma tāpule tau ni maua, whakailo ke hia pao si i hange ku whakatapu. Pea ngāwe ante pule anga ke whakahoko atu hatokoni ki whānawa ko Tonga, neu e sia mi he māma ni hoko ki nau apinu whanga totongi i nau lau suwa Fiji. O kutu e pe ngāhi taranoa kehe na iangi pehe ta wakai ki ngāhi o ngongo, me he malai o i sipoti kai o maai to o ngā oi ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki ko liliani polotele. Kua whakahame mai whanua haapai e ka mata ki hā mai ai mai i he musia mga tuunga mi he lahi ai lala a kau hipe ka whanunga i a te tungani ai vai taimi o e El Nino. Koe vai taimi ki ni o mahino pe e lahi ange lala a e hoko pe e si iange avalisi e lahi o e uha e tō ki e whanua. E whamatala e whai o ngonga e whaleni me vai whanua pe ni whatawhehina ane whakahai ai ka mata ke mai koe e whunga e whanua ta te whito ki he ni hā mai mi he musie.
Mahina pena e pe whanki i uha i he wiko o si kanai kai koha uha ukurala, sang pe o tau lawe i loko toa pe me ngahi ngongo tuku mai pe me he reti o Tonga, pe me he waa bakai matangi koa Tonga na e pe whanki uha ka he hā pe me he whunga koe whanua, ka matape ke asi mai ke me meloi musie, ta ku hā mahina pe me ngahi whitu ulahi koe sā kwa koe ke maumea toko nia kwa mon man koe koe pulu pe koe hosu kwa tapu. O mahino ka ene holo matunga pe me he ha mai ko ni ku kamata ke asi El Nino pe ko e fa ta la la a ka ko e tunga ko ki he ngai ma wanga vai ko la hita ha pe ta be to ko e ko la hita o vai ko no ku o se ngai si ma vai pa ku ia pe tu yo ku fon pa ko pe mai ngai fe tu o ha mahino mai hange ko cross school ta ngai fe tu o si tu ko anga mahino e te wai mga fu si mawai la la ke na la tokoni ka tai me hoko mai whakatama ki whana tula ko e la a pe mai honge vai.
Pehe e whatawhehi, ni ongo e ni, ka oku ne tui pe o ku tuu ma te e kakai me he foi oni one, ke ono matu waki he whakatama kini.
Ko tui o ko siai pe ai te la ya ngai family la hange ko ngai whita vai ku mahino ne sai pe ai tokon hange nai fok mga tokon tang Ratari, na mai te me he patnga nei te ki o tuwha ke kakai ni ku ngai fia mau. Me ngai tokon ke hepe. Pea ikai ngatai ku ha mahino na e te lahi te mga tuwha whirita. Na mai o te kau pe mei te ki ko e kroskula me ngai ba tokon ke. Ni laulawa ke tuwha e ngai tangke o tofia ngai api. Ngai ko ngai api o si mai kun ko a wha ian. Pea whanonga mai ngai kaulahi ai tono no nga tapa ko ni kai he ha mahina mai taimi ni o ku ngari o ku lahiange ai ngahi api o me neke tofia u api e ngahi whirita vai.
Lolo tonga e ni, ko osanga unu mai e kautaha malu i ai Pasifiki i loa ko PCRIC o whaake nau tokoni whapaanga ki he pule anga ke tokoni ki he laala a o ko whiao mo tonga ni. Ko tokoni whakapaanga koe ni whaake atu e whalai te kua o si whiunga mo e tola Australia e tolu mano, tolu afe, hivange au tupu, pe koe paanga ia e fitu mano, walu afe, hivange au tupu. Koe konga e ni e tokoni e PCRIC ke tuunga ma teu a tongani kiono matua ki ngai wisia ta maki mei he laala a, o tau te fito e ni ki haapai. Ai o kwa hei giai e tola Amerika e taha mano walu afe, whaangi au tupu mo Tongatapuni, koe tola Amerika e taha mano ni maafe, whaangi au tupu. Pehe me ofisi o e palemia, e tokon lahi eni ke whahoko ak hangai ngā ue taimi to tonu, ke ne whakaivia tuunga ma teu me toka teu e kakai i e tū kui kolo, ki mua hatoi whakalalahi mo kovi ange nunu a kovi o e laala a. Koe o wau whaki koe ni ne mea e ki palemia no pele whawhanua, pehe ke sea o e poate o PCRIC si o siua utoi ka manu. Ofisa pure ngāwe a holoto palu mani ihi ke he pē. Ne whakamalo ia heni mehe pure anga ai tokoni ko whai mehe kautaha malui PCRIC. Mohono ngā hoa ngā ue whakalakalaka, ko hui ko tokoni whakapaanga hono tolu eni ko nau whaaki maatongani i e nau polokalama malui ki he laa. I kai ngā tai, ka aku tokon lahi eni ki ono whakaivia e ngai whaunga whakapaanga ki ono toka ngai kina o ngai whakatamaki whakainatula i Tonga ni. Mono whapapau i oku iai mau pē e ngai mau anga tokoni ke malu i e kakai i e tūku i kolo. O whakafou i he mateu taimi to tonu, mohono langa hake o e mateu pe toka teu tu uloa. Keu hika maho inga ki he potu ngā oe polisi ki whakangata mo toi whakapapau iange malo e whanau whiwhine iki. O kunauloro tonga tau hiai malo e kau polisi ma tāpule tau ni maua whakailo ki hia koe pāo sii hata ahine i lalo tau taha ni mā. Ne boke mo whakailo ma tāpule ni tōpule lulu kua osi. I whamatala ko manta o e aptanga polisi Tongatapu halatoa tau whanane pehe, neongo e pelepele ngesi ai kawe ngani ka o maho inga ke whamamawhai ki he whanua a hono toi e whia mao koe ke toi whakapapau iange hao moe malu ai nofo e whanau whiwhine i api pe i he society. E tau ki hae matapule ni whamau anga amuyange. O ku ngawe au te pule anga ke toko nia e whanau ako Tonga na e hoko ai maama ki he api nof anga to tongi ni nau nofu ai i Nailuwa Fiji i he pule lulu o wike kua osi. Ko hiri eni ai mau he Palestine ai whanau ako Tonga University Pacific Tonga i Fiji hawhitu taki me minista ko leo hokawa me liku ke he tuunga e whanau ako koini. Sendorita tu i vai mo e whakaiki iki.
I he whaik eke a whaingonga whaleni vai whanua tō Paula i sua Fiji mo e Palestine whanau ako Tonga i sua Fiji se o ne hala whihi nāne pehe. Koe whanau ako Tonga whakatoa e hongo fulu nāna o nofo i he whale nofo to tong kehe e tolu a e na e hoko ki ai ai mā. Koe kotoa toko hongo fulu koe ni koe whanau whiwhine kotoa. Nāne pehena iai pe mo e matakari kehe nāna o nofo i he whale koe ni ai ako toko ua Solomone mo e toko taha Vanuatu. Koe kotoa e whanau ako Tonga koe ni ok nau whakaunga tāma ke University Pacific Tonga wa alautala i Fiji. Koe lolo tonga ni o kei whahoko ai ngā ue ki ono whama opo ai mea na e hoko, mo e tuunga o iai ai nofo e whanau ako Tonga koe ni i he lolo tonga ni, pea e tok tuku at lewa ai tokoni me i he pule a ngā.
Ki mau e whetū taki i he pea me he pule a ngā. Koe whetū taki me me tō taha ko prenaisi telefoni. Pea pe ki he minista ako reo, sa sovaren, koe whetū tak mai pe ke oange ai tūnga koe ai whanau. Pea ku kei whai pe ana whamaa popo nga information kota pe whanau ke ave ki he whemau koe ni ai minista ako reo. Pe he ki he putngau ako. Ko i koe nau tokanga mai pe ki he tūnga koe ai tau whanau. Ai a koe pea nei o si iai pe ni ihi, nei o si mau honau no whoanga i apiako. Wai ni o si mau pa mo nau whireti. Pea kei ai pe pa mo ki ni toko si pe. O ku kei kumi pe ha nau no whoanga. Whakutu i ko whainga maari e wake taha whainga maari e pe ke mau ha no whoanga e whanau ko ni. Pau whai pe pa mo i ngāue ke whahau patu ai ripoti ko ia ki he whatatau ke whemau koe whai me pa me he pungai ako puri anga Tonga.
Lo tonga ni whatalanoa hanga tonu mo taha e whanau ako whiwhine na ue sia mei he maama ko ini, ko lo ti whehoko nane pehe, o ia e mahalo i ko tupu anga e maama ko ini mei he uhila. Na e whamala ala whehoko ki he me ana e hoko.
Ka koe vela ko ni na whatua ngā i e taha peo e whantoko ua koe na mausino fo, o ne pehe, ko ne toki foki mai me he ako, pea na e koe aike mohe, pea koe ne whanongoa ki o hange lili e kapa koe ne atoi whare, pea koe ne tā ea ke pui pui o pehe, aia o tuku ai e mau whakamaha mahalo pe, koe vela koe ni, koe kamata me loki, pea na e hiri koe no whai a ngahi whatotolo koe ni a kau polisi i Fiji ni, o pehe o ngari pe koe uhila na uhinga i koe ai whatamaki koe ni a vela. Pea na e aia na kamata ai e vela me loki o aloha ke o au ki he peitolo. Kana e toi wawe ai ai vela ko ni kono uinga e nai e hina kasa e whare. Pea na e vela ko ia ko whare ko na kamata e vela na e osi pe ia na kai ke te amea. Pea na e kamata vela mai me whare i loto. Ka koe whare nofo anga koe na nofo iau. Na e aia ka pau na e alange vela o a onga mautolu ko exit koe ki he ko nganga pai hoko e vela mai ia ko huanga mai ko vela ko whare ko matapaia e mua mai pau kai ke mau elo pe na mau faftai pe mo malo ko nga ke ka nga ue ai polista mate afi afisini na va pe na nga ue o lava pe tamate e afi ko ni o kai ke te whakalahinga e mau.
Kai ke koe uhi koe hoko e whatuta maki ko e niu i kai ke iai ha whamili tone whanau a ko whiwhine Tonga ko e ni i Fiji na e talaloto maali e ai a whihoko na e kamata ke siwa amanaki i e whinga ko. Koe uhi koe puputu o nau loto ka na e hoko e ngahi tokoni mai loto e community Tonga i Fiji me whanau a ko e tokoni lahi i e taimi whaingata a. Koe lolotonga ni ko lahi atu ai ngahi ofa ke he pe ki whanau ko e ni me i he kakai Tonga pe kāinga Tonga i Fiji pe whoki whanau ko Tonga i USB ko ia i Fiji.
Ko moni e hiri ko e whaingata ko e ni ko e mau nofo ko e nofo pia whanau. Pena e ko moni ko e ongo na mau ko e maungo i ko kite api. Ko ngā ko e malawa mai ke ni ko e mawhapaya. Pena e na mau whakaukau pe ko ka na ko taimpe ke mau whoki atu ki Tonga. Ko ngai na hange ko siwa mau amana ki o pe ko mau tue noa mai he mai ke whanua mori ko ni ko ngā ko whenga ke poto whaata mai ko ngā ko e whanua o tupo mo eiki. Ka ko mau whamalo ko e ngai toko ni ko e ni ko take mai ki a mau tolu pia ko whiwhawhokai a taipe ki mau tolu a whamalo ki community Tonga, pehe ki he Palestinian University of the South Pacific, pehe ki he Palestinian Fiji National University, ki he ngahi moe family ko tāpe i he okmau nofo i Suwani. Ko ngā koe nau ngahi ofa ko tāpe na take mai kia te kumau tolu, i he wala, i he vai, i he mea kai, pehe ki ke se niti lahi ko mau ko nei si vai o lo pe ia mo whanatoko wa malawa ke kamata ake e mau nofo pia i lolo tongani foki o ku mau ke i kumi holo pe mau nofo anga.
Kai ke heko lotonga ni o tu whatuwha holo pe whana wako ko e ni ngahi api ai kakai Tonga i Fiji pe heke loto api ako ke nau nofo whakataimi ki ai kai kumi hanau api nofo anga. Mai ngonga le te oma television e Tonga ko au sanori tātu i vai.
Keo hika maho inga ke whakai ai longa i whanau a ki hanga he polo kalama pe wa inga ke tokon ki e nau wako mo e whakalakalaka e nau ilo. Kua tokoni ai e hamatapu le moli me Tasmania ko Peter Davey ki Tongani o whotu e wheitu u wa inga i loke play Tonga i Veitongo. Ko heli eni e mea ngahi alofe whine tamapelini si kalauni. Prinsesi halai walo mata aho, prinsesa naspau Eliana, mo prinsesi salo te pilo levo whakailonga i ka kato na fotu e play Tonga i whasinga e wike. Ko play Tonga na yanga mahini ke ngau aki whakataimi i api mataka. Ka ko whainga maalie e lolo tongani i he mahino o iai wheitu upau, mo malu ke nau wa inga ki ai. Pea kuto e whakalahi me ngahi whaunga pe mea ngā we wa inga o i kaingata pe i loto ka ki tua whoki. Ia whakamatala e matapure mōli o kuneha ana e play Tonga, Peter Davey. Nāne pehe o ko maho inga au pito ke wa inga e longa i whanau i he mala e wa inga. Pe koa whituu wa inga anga maa e whanau hange ko play Tonga. Ia mahino o kunau ako ai ngahi ilo me tau kei o i kai malawa ia ke mau ilo ki ako mo api. Nāne pehe o kau ki heni e nā wako e whiohi, mo e wa inga whiofu o whani, mo e toenga o e whanau. Nau whengau e aki ki ono veteki a palopalema i he game, pe wa inga, pe a ako ai pe e ngai natula ke kehe o e whaunga ngā ue, o tokoni ke tupolake mo uilelei a sino mo e atamai. pehe e Davy, koe mea maho inga taha, kono whakotu o Play Tonga. Kene o atua ngai whafonga mali ma e whanau, me whamili, tau te whito, ke whakapapau i o kuongo i malupe, ai whanau. Nāne pehe, ko konga lahi ngai mea wa inga o ku whakotu mo ngau e aki e he Play Tonga, o ku wha pia toi lelei au pito, mo malu ki hono ngau e aki. Nā e makatu unga hano whakotuu eni i he whakatokanga i e matapule mulini ai si i hawhi tuu pe e lia ke whakatahataha kia i whanau o wa inga. Pea kau ki ai mahiliange a whakatamaki ne whiangahangai mo tongani he pā ai mo o ngāwhi hunga tonga hunga haapai. I e mahino ne pupu tuu ai e whakakaukau e whanau toko lahi. Pea ka whakaamui ai Play Tonga ke tokoni ki mo ui fia mo ui lelei ai whanau. Nai fofo whalau mai a Davy ki Tongani he wanoa taha hiwa. Makatuunga iha uhinga whakalau maali e hakolupu lotu. Pe toi whalau mai he wanoa ua noa o tuku waka i Tongani koe uhi koe mawholai ko viti taha hiwa. Moe tā pune ngai kau a whanua o hoko ai koe whainga maali e kene i Tongani ai mohono whamili iha ngahi tau. Nāne whakamalo ia heni ene ngahi hoa ngā ue me toa poreanga mo Tongani i ngai whinga aki kotoa pē o i kuna mo ka katoa i hono whakotuu o i Play Tonga. E ka mata hono whakaatāke ngau e aki e kakai o whanua ai Play Tonga i he ao tolu o ao kosi aia koe mōni te kaha u. Aia o paanga e wanima ai longa i whanau, pia paanga e nima ai kakai lalahi. Maaio ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Ko ngatu eni pe i keiki whaatatali ka kaito lahi Tongatapu ni ki nga mamatai e fo i polokalama televisione pe documentary e lea whapritania whilawe i tonu eni Moimoi mata pule Tonga i loa ka koe helo i malai a kapulu Jonah Lomu neongo kone tō tau e fofua hulu eni i Tongani ki mo aya pe toki tuku atu ki ngahi whale whaiawalahi ino sila mo Australia.
Oku i Tongani e whiwhine Tonga ne kau i hono whao e polokalamani vea mawhile o. Pehe geni ihi o ngā whakatūtu i ngā weni ke whakaha mo tuku atu e polokalamani ke mata tonu ki ai e kakai Tonga aia e hulu eni i e paake teu whaiwa. Ko whakatū e mawhile o mo e nau timi ngāwe, a ka veinga koe tau whoki moia ki api. Ke ne whakamā opo e tau mua e nau i Tongani, aia koe whakaamu, ke nau whoki mai ki Tongani ke mata tonu e whonua ki hala whanonga, ne whauha ki ai e helo mālolo koe ni ihe mala e oi akapulu, ka tau te whito ki ene ngahi vei pā ne whakahoko. I he whakaike eke ai ongo ngā le teo Tonga mo vea mawhile o nāne pehe ai o kunau whakahoko pe ai ngā ue koe ni kai manatu ofa. Mo whakamalo ia e kalu se whai lahi me mo uili oa, lahi ne whai e lomu i e mala e oi akapulu, o ne whawhawhanga i lelei ai a Tonga, kai tau te whito e ne ongo ngona atu e whanua ko Tonga ki mā mani i he akapulu. Ne toi pehepe e mawhile o, koe uhinga ia ahono fuafua hulu i Tongani, koe lau maalia ia oi whinga, koe alu kai whoki moia ki api, ke mata tonu he kakai o whanua i he helo laulo taha i he malae oi akapulu. Lolo Tonga eni, nei whakahoko ai e whakaeke me mata pure, o ku kau ki he timi o ngau whotūtu o e polokalama televisione, John Paul Foliaki. Nāne pehe ko whainga mālia lelei eni ki he tau tupu o e whanua, ke nau mata tonu ki mo ui ne whanonga haki ai a Lomu, tau te whito ki he tau tupu o ngau manako ki he akapulu. Ke hoko koe whakaloto lahi mo e ako anga kia te ki nau tolu. Kai kehe, e hulu e polokalama televisione pe documentary ko eni i e paake teu whaiwa i he whiawhi pule lulu. Pea ko mau maali e kiai me kau hiwa i loa pe i Tongani me ngai whakaali kehe pe ke whakahoko. Aia o ku tae totongi pe ai kaumatu ki he polokalama makeheni. Ma ai o ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Ka tau toi wakaengi peheni ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Ka mataki hā mai i he wahi whanua haapai ai mai ai musie mga tuunga i whanunga i a te wai taimi El Nino. Lorotonga tau he malu i ka polisi matapule tau ni maua wha ilo ke hia pao si i hange ku whakatapu. Pea ngāwe ante puleanga ke whakahoko atu hatokoni ke whānawa ko Tonga, newe sia mi he māmani hoko ke no apinu whanga totongi i nau lau suwa Fiji. Mo e ka kātai pia ngāhi o ngongo me ledio kai uma ai televisione to ngā ke howani me whakaamu ne au take ko tō hatu pia ke loto whangi ko tō hape. Kai malo e tau ke i whiau mai, ka mau mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for this Tuesday evening, July 28th. Taking a look at today's top stories. Ha'apai experiences impacts of El Nino conditions, with governments receiving insurance payout to help with the situation. Play Tonga set to reopen to the public in Veitongo next month, and Tongan community in Fiji come together to support Tongan students left without a home after a house fire last week, with government also expected to provide aid. These and more stories coming up, as well as a look at the latest in sports scene and the latest weather updates. Now I'm Popo Aho with the news in detail. Reports from the Ha'apai Island Group indicate that signs of drought are beginning to appear in vegetation due to the prolonged dry conditions as Tonga experiences El Nino conditions. During the season, hotter and drier conditions are expected, with below-average rainfall across the country.
Radio Tonga correspondent from Ha'apai Penifatawhehi said signs of drought are now becoming visible in the island group, with even grass losing colour and wilting. Although there was a little bit of rain recorded in Ha'apai last week, it was not enough to significantly improve the situation. Ahead of worsening drought conditions, Fatawhehi believes the people of Ha'apai are preparing well, heeding advice from the government to be more prepared and use water wisely during this El Nino season. He says most homes have their own water tanks and currently there is enough supply, but there are fears if the drought conditions continue, it will affect their water supply. Meanwhile, the Pacific Catastrophe Risk Insurance Company, or PACRIC, stepped up their effort to support the country in these conditions after the Prime Minister Latu Whanua received a drought preparedness payout from the PACRIC, marking the third payout under Tonga's drought insurance policy. The payout, totaling more than $33,000, was triggered to support early drought preparedness efforts in Ha'apai and Tongatapu, enabling timely action to strengthen community resilience ahead of worsening drought conditions. The government acknowledges PACRIC and its partners for their continued support in strengthening disaster risk financing and ensuring resources are available to protect communities through early preparedness and resilience building efforts. This handover program was attended by the PACRIC board chair, Siosiwa Odegamano, CEO Alotopalu, and others.
Police have arrested and charged a 52-year-old man with indecent assault of a girl under the age of 15. He was arrested last Thursday and has been remanded in police custody as police investigate. Tongatapu Police District Commander Tongataufa says, despite the sensitive nature of the case, it is important to reassure the public that police remain committed to protecting the safety and well-being of children, both in the home and within the wider community. Police are also urging families and the public to remain vigilant in protecting young girls from harm. The Tongan community in Suva, Fiji, have come together to help support 10 Tongan students who lost their home in a fire last week, with government also expected to provide assistance at a later date.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News reporter Paula in Suva, Fiji, the president of the Tongan Student Association in Fiji, Jonah Lomu, said that a total of 10 Tongan students were living in 3 separate guest houses that were affected by the fire. All 10 of the Tongan students are female. Halafi said that students from other Pacific nations were also living there, including 2 students from Solomon Islands and 1 student from Vanuatu. All of the affected Tongan students are enrolled at the University of the South Pacific, Laut, Fiji. At present, efforts are continuing to assess the damage and determine the current living situation of the affected students. Once the process is completed, the Tongan government is expected to proceed with assistance for these students. This follows communication from the Acting Minister of Education, Huakava Liku, to the President of the Tongan Student Association at the University of the South Pacific in Fiji regarding the welfare of the affected students. Meanwhile, in an interview with one of the students affected by the incident, Koloti Fehoko said it is believed that the fire may have been due to faulty electricity wires. Because of the disaster, and with no immediate family members in Fiji to support them, Fehoko said she and her fellow students initially began to lose hope and struggle emotionally, which affected their studies. However, she said the support, prayers and generosity of the Tongan community in Fiji and fellow students have been a source of strength during this difficult time. For now, the affected students have been temporarily accommodated in the homes of members of Tongan community in Fiji and university accommodation while they search for permanent housing.
Tonga's only children's play centre is set to reopen to the public next month after relocating to a bigger space in Veitongo. Play Tonga's newest facility was formally opened by Their Royal Highnesses Princess Halaiwanu, Princess Iliana and Princess Salote last Saturday. Their Royal Highnesses Princess Halaiwanu, Princess Iliana and Princess Salote officially opened the new facility for Play Tonga at Veitongo last Saturday. Play Tonga had previously operated temporarily at Apmataka, but now it has a permanent location in Veitongo where children have a safe and suitable place to play. The new facility also offers expanded play opportunities and equipment not only indoors but outdoors as well. Play Tonga was established by Peter Davey from Tasmania, who recognized the need for a children's play centre in Tonga, as it is important to encourage children through programs and play that support their learning, ability and development. Davey says it is important for children to play in playgrounds and improve and enhance their knowledge, skills and experiences even while they are young.
It's very crucial for a child to play. Many of us older people here, when we were younger, many of us would have grown up overseas and we would have played on playgrounds. You learn abilities that you don't learn normally at school. There's a social aspect that you learn. You communicate with each other, problem solve. You learn motor skills, balance, different motions that that are caused through play, swinging, sliding, jumping. These all work on different parts of the body and the mind, and they help even stimulate education.
Davey first came to Tonga to look after a visiting church group, but then returned to Tonga in 2020 and was stranded here due to the COVID-19 travel restrictions, which led to him spending more time in Tonga and noticing the opportunity to establish this children's play centre. Davey helped build some playgrounds for schools across Tonga, including the first facility of Play Tonga, hoping to bring joy and smiles to children's faces.
We were here for the Hunga Tonga Hapai volcano and the clean-up afterwards. We were just about to open Play Tonga and, of course, everything stopped. Then we all had lockdowns for COVID. And we went through some exciting times with the families here in Tonga. But we saw the trauma that some of the children had if a car went past and backfired or the loud music boomed. We saw children in the street that would cry when they heard that. And it really made us want to push for more for children here in Tonga. And so we opened up that first facility and we looked to transfer here as soon as we could.
Play Tonga will be available to the public on Monday, August 3rd. Entry fees are 2 pa'anga for children and 5 pa'anga for adults. And many people are eagerly awaiting the first screening in Tonga of a documentary telling the story of the late Tongan rugby legend Jonah Lomu at Te Whaiva tomorrow night. The documentary is being brought to Tonga by a team that includes Tongan co-director of the documentary, Vea Mawhineo, ahead of its release to major entertainment venues in New Zealand and Australia.
Speaking to Radio Tongan News, Vea Mawhineo says the mindset behind bringing the documentary to Tonga is let's take it back home, giving the people of Tonga an opportunity to see and reconnect with the journey of Lomu and the path he took to becoming one of the most recognized names in international rugby.
I feel like this is an opportunity to celebrate him, and because of what he did, not just for Tonga, not just for New Zealand, but on a world stage for the game of rugby. But also, we're such a small, tiny nation, and for someone like him to just be so powerful and humble at the same time, I just really wanted to honour him by bringing his story back home. So this is a documentary. It's not a drama, hey? So we will learn about Jonah's life, and you'll see, he lived for a while in Hapai growing up. He could speak Tongan, although and I think I would hope that people would feel mawhana in seeing the achievements of what he did, but also the sacrifices, hey? Because, he put his body on the line for something that he loved in. There are some key values, the whae kawikola, which Jonah, as a person, shared. And so I really just wanted the opportunity for people to see that for themselves.
She says the first screening in Tonga carries a special meaning as the team hopes to bring Lomu's story back home and give the people of Tonga an opportunity to reconnect with the journey of the rugby legend. Meanwhile, John Paul Foliaki, who is part of the organising team, says the documentary provides an important opportunity for young people in Tonga, particularly aspiring rugby players, to learn about Lomu's life and journey.
I think people can expect to be mawhana, to see themselves in the film, to hear our songs, to know Jonah's story, to see another side of him that other people haven't seen. And also, just for the young ones, I think that will be here, the school students and rugby players, and even future filmmakers, or if you have a dream or a talent, I hope that they can come and expect to be inspired, or they should expect to be inspired from seeing this film.
He says the story can serve as both an inspiration and a learning experience for the younger generation. The documentary will be screened at Te Whaiva Park this Wednesday evening, July 29th, with performances by well-known Tongan singers and other entertainment also planned for the event. Admission is free, with the public invited to attend the special screening and a celebration of the life and legacy of this Tongan hero, Jonah Lomu. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Hawaii experiences impacts of El Nino conditions, with government receiving insurance payouts to help with the situation. Play Tonga is set to reopen to the public in Veitongo next month, and the Tongan community in Fiji come together to support Tongan students left without a home after a house fire last week, with government also expected to provide aid later on. That's your news package for this Tuesday evening, July 28th. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.